This is the 2025 Ford Mustang, packing the heart of a beast under its hood, a naturally aspirated 5.0L V8. And let me tell you, this machine isn't just about raw power, it's about the thrill, the legacy, and the unmistakable Mustang DNA. With 480 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque, this Mustang is ready to leave its mark on the asphalt. And if you opt for the dark horse variant, you're looking at an even more insane 500 horsepower. Paired with either a 6-speed manual for the purists or a smooth 10-speed automatic, this Mustang delivers an experience that's both nostalgic and cutting-edge. The exterior, aggressive, yet refined. The signature tri-bar LED headlights, sculpted hood vents, and wide stance make sure everyone knows, this is a Mustang. The rear, classic Mustang taillights, a bold diffuser, and an active exhaust system that roars like a true American muscle car. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit. A massive 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster seamlessly blends with a 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync 4 system. Customizable drive modes, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a premium B&O sound system make sure you're as connected as you're thrilled. But let's talk performance. With a reworked chassis, improved suspension, and a sharper steering response, this Mustang isn't just about straight-line speed. Whether you're carving canyons or hitting the track, the handling has been refined to perfection. And with available MagneRide adaptive dampers, every drive feels like a tailored experience. Safety and tech. Ford's Copilot 360 suite brings adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and more, ensuring that this muscle car isn't just powerful, it's smart too. So, is the 2025 Mustang still the king of American muscle? With its roaring V8, modern tech, and an unmistakable attitude, the answer is a loud, tire-screeching yes. Make sure to comment and let us know what you think about this car. Thanks for watching and take care you and subscribe my YouTube channel.